Sure. Let me take 5 minutes, producer. I think I'm good. Let me take 5 minutes to address something very less important. Then we can move ahead. Something very less important, but it's always good to clear the hair. You know me. If you Abobi can call for react. Me, I'm not gonna make it go like that. You know. The issue is there's this boy. He's on Net 2. That boy, yes. He looks like a boo. He hosts Kennedy Japan. There's this boy. I call him a boy because he doesn't act like a man. No man, no responsible man. What is it? Will sit on TV and accept and say I am a fool. When Kennedy Japan tells him you are a fool and he says yes. No man. So I see that boy that he's not ripe yet to bring me in his issues. You are a thief. When you were a reporter, this guy is a first-class thief. When he was a reporter at Parliament, he stole from a minister we know, Kweku Annan of Net 2. You are a boy. That's why I need your boss, the guy who feeds you every day, the one who gives you. And you see, the way I bet TV, you say, oh, Irade, hey, honorable, Papa, your catch of fire, you're better on and that, obey, because you are basically like a robot in front of this man. Kweku Annan, it is you I'm talking to. If you have an issue with bloggers or somebody who is doing his job and trying to sell his story, deal with that person. Even that person gave you a lot of respect to address you as a human being. Me, I will not give you that space. It is Kennedy Japan I want, not you. You there, he feeds you like a chicken. So if you have things to say, don't bring me in. Me see, no man like myself who is married, no man who has a kid, who's Okofia the Union a friend say dad or the boyfriend dad kissing before he or she goes to bed. No man will sit on national television and say I'm a fool. Will accept an insult from an idiot like in Japan and say, oh, honorable, you know I am a fool. Don't. You are a boy. Don't. No man on earth will do that. If you got your nonsense doing, let your nonsense stay with you. I don't know on your show if you are the one who is hosting or you are the guest. We don't know. Nobody knows. Why were Betty said there also a mortar? And I went on some who now didn't Massa. You are not my co-equal crowd. You there, you don't get me. See, if Net 2 fires you today, you'll be homeless. I said, if Kennedy Japan today tells you to bring your wife to his house, you will do it because you have acted on national television to show that you are a boy, you are not a man. Jack, baby Adrian, you are so do. Me see catch your boss say I have sent 3 letters to him, he's not responded. Me see or responded 1. If your boss Kennedy Japan or responded no Bob me America I won't see her be a catcher. If he's a man or they would be him picture to so on ya me the enemy keke. I will not say anything. On me picture and tour, don't find me picture and tour, no bomb din and no. The Conco now what on New Jersey no come be. I'm sending a direct message to you. So Kweku Annan, you are a boy. Don't come and mingle with men. We have serious issues we are dealing with as a nation. Serious security issues. Serious security issues. Into who could one crawl on drama don't add me to it. Never. I'm begging you. Me, I'm a very straightforward person. I deal with big fish. Master, your woman send me no. I don't have time for you. Please, I am serious. It's when you talk about now, and I respect that blogger. He's a young man. He or the shell. Jack, Uncle send some of the catcher on the cramp on but size. It's me catch your Kweku Annan when you are for or chibi, member media, maybe 100 I get tight. I get tight, pioneer break. We are not here to allow people like you. You are a boy. If you are a man, go sit on TV and talk like a man and tell the person sitting to you, that man who does not respect anybody, any woman. Catch and say, Honorable Jimmy, Naja Jimmy, no. What's one honorable say you are a foolish mouse? Yes, I am foolish. You want to come and talk about me? She, therefore, Jimmy no call be na dream. What's it? Okay, so that was a less issue. We don't have to waste time on. Oh no, yeah, Kweku Annan Jack. When you win, I could discuss or free one. Wait, the boxers United. Wait, me see. Net 2, not Tim near Pamona, Onya baby under. So don't ever. I'm sending a direct warning to you. Wa Betty, Kao Egypt and Kao swap on qua and Kao making more money. Don't come and misbehave, Massa. Me here, boss, no, do feed you with such chicken. No. Boss na, or feed you no Kennedy Japan, and I'm here no. What is all no ma? You there, you are just a baller bed. Oh, you baller bed. Me say you are not a man, you are a boy. Because you are accepted on national television in front of that twerp. Say, you are a fool. Don't chairman me, you are a fool. Yes, sir. Then you want to come deal with me? Massa, oh, Jimmy, it's now. Okay, you're still listening to Loud Silence Radio and TV Network.
You're all dumb people sitting here.
I know. Until there.
You know what? You know what?
Oh, there.
Let's go on. Yeah, they say we are not going to mince words. If you don't like us, we don't like you. If you don't want to watch us, don't worry yourself. Net 2 or Ejimi from you go and watch them. Oma be yimba panties near the honorable minister mo Ghana for musika edu check in the Japan car 15,000 Ghana cedis every 30 days. Now on TV so Jimmy no say number to say honorable Nyamisha. One kasa we Jimmy Chen honorable no. Honorable na utua ne ka no pandemic problem say you know or TV so no name bad draws no omboko. Now what to support no we Jimmy Chen honorable because when who say we Jimmy into the on serious no. Because honorable no onimsa wo te wono unim nyansa to the point say o Jimmy no wa na say he's being paid to work and he's not working and he will not behave like in the Japan. It's honorable na who say mo amudi na china mutie no na 2 de bia na obetena ho no mo Jimmy Chen ntina de bia no oba no because who say mo ni nyansa bia mbeka chen say honorable jai Jimmy no na koye adwuma no na nipa ewu obia ne obetuma ka Kennedy Japan kana di jai Jimmy no na koye adwuma na ye na efidu muntumi nka na moto na nyame mpusha honorable mu be wu se mponche Mube na I'm sure I'm one more. Young girl, I was so you've not got a job or panting here too. Born whom I buying page my young guy or boxers in United and honorable Yamisha and how you obin who the hell is obinim? Obinim, the oil does it affect the economy? And the Japan here and the castle on make sure say and the COVID-19 we seen. Diana bind to my aboy now to honorable Yamisha. Ujimina, sa no Jimmy, no cobun some Jim.